Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to save Figma file to your device. Sometimes after working on a design in Figma, you'll want to save a copy of your file directly to your device, whether it's for backup, sharing with someone who doesn't use Figma, or for offline work. Figma makes this process straightforward, but there are a few options depending on what format you need. Start by opening the Figma file you want to save. If it's a design you created or one you have access to, make sure you're in the file's main editing view. Figma allows you to save files in multiple formats, so the first decision is whether you want a Figma source file, an image export, or a PDF. Each has its own use case. Figma files .fig let you reopen and edit in Figma. Images are good for quick sharing, and PDFs are ideal for presentation or printing. To save the Figma file itself, go to the Figma logo in the top left corner and select Save Local Copy from the Files menu. Figma will download the file as a .fig file to your device, usually in your Downloads folder unless you specify another location. This is the file format that retains all layers, components, and editable elements, so you can reopen it in Figma anytime without losing anything. If you want to export specific frames or designs as images, select the frame or element you want, then click Export in the right-hand sidebar. Here you can choose the format, PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF, and adjust settings like scale and background. Click Export and Figma will save the file to your device, ready for sharing or presentation. For a full project or multiple frames, you can also select all frames and export them at once, or export a PDF by choosing File, Export Frames to PDF. This creates a single document containing all the selected frames in order. Once the file is saved to your device, you can move it, back it up, or share it with others. Saving your Figma files regularly is a good habit, especially if you're working offline or collaborating with others who might not have Figma accounts. Whether you're downloading a .fig file, exporting images, or creating a PDF, Figma gives you flexible options to make sure your designs are safe, shareable, and ready for use anywhere. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.